So, if you don't know about the anvil dupe glitch in Minecraft 1.17, I'm here to teach it to you guys. And apparently, this lets you double the item you put in it. So, let's get right into it. So, right now I'm in creator mode because we need a few supplies, and I'll tell you that. Okay, so first of all, the most important thing for this glitch to work is a damaged anvil. Yeah, that's right, a damaged anvil, not a chiseled anvil, a damaged anvil, because that's what's going to double the items for you. Then, second of all, you will need a few bottles of EXP, as you're going to need few levels to, do the glitch. So I think one stack of it will be nice because we love EXP montages. Next, you'll need a block to a stack of blocks actually. I'm going to just get a stack of diamonds because we can. Next, we're going to need the item we're going to be duplicating. So I'm getting a totem of undying because it's so rare and it's so hard to find it. So once we have all that, let's go back to survival mode because it will only work in survival mode. So let's just do that real quick. Okay, so now I already have enough levels, but we'd of course love an EXP montage, so enjoy. And if you're playing in hardcore world or survival world, you can get this through any other means. Next, we are going to place a damaged anvil, and we're going to place the totem of undying in that slot. Now we have to take our blocks and start covering up the inventory, leaving no space behind for the totem to fall on. So once we are done with that, this is the whole idea. We're going to be spam renaming the item till the anvil breaks, and we don't have any slots in our inventory, so it's going to drop the item twice. So subscribe because that's what you should do. So now we'll do it again, and wait, see, the anvil broke in the second time, and check out how cool is that. We have 2 totems of undying now, and yep, that's the glitch. But if you're wondering if this works with stacks of items or probably more than one item, it of course does. So let's just get a stack of a block or something. So actually I got a stack of netherite as I went creative mode for a second, but right now I'm in survival mode. So you place a stack over there and you cover up your inventory with the other block. It doesn't have to be diamonds, it could be anything, it could even be beds, but yeah, blocks are fine. Now let's rename it as because like the video, that's what you should do. Okay, this is going to take a while, so let's speed things up, shall we? And if you're wondering, you could also do this with the dragon egg. I'm not even kidding. In creator mode, you won't get the dragon egg, but in survival, as the dragon drops it only once in the game, you could use an anvil to duplicate it. And you could, show off to your friends that you have 2 dragon eggs in your hardcore survival world. So, yeah. I'm sorry, this will take a period of time, but I swear the result is worth all the effort. Now, 1. The anvil broke and you have 2 stacks of netherite, not even kidding. Let's go pick it up. So, check it out. How cool is that, guys? The glitch. You have 2 netherite stacks. Now you can finally build your netherite home if you can even find a stack of netherite. But honestly, if you have enough iron, then you could keep getting an anvil, keep damaging it until it becomes a damaged anvil, and you could get at least 1 netherite and keep duplicating it. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you learned about the glitch. Any doubts, you can ask me in the comments, but till then, see you. Bye.